What's happening, responsible day traders? Lindsay Duff here. I took one trade again today, 3 points. The video is very, very quick because I thought there was an issue with the sound and I deleted all of the audio. But turns out it was just my speakers being a jerk. So this is the one trade I took. There was a pretty decent move up earlier. So when it did pull back right into this nice little beautiful spot, and we can look at the 1597 too. Actually, let me go ahead and pull that up with this because I think that it'll give just a little bit more insight to what we're looking at here. So the 1597, you can see the run up here. It pulled back right at this point, and it gave us a really decent area to take a trade to the upside, right? So it goes up, it comes back down, it pulls up, it pulls back down, and then pops to the upside. When it gets up here, I took my first exit for 1.5 points, second exit 1.5 points as well. It gets up into this area and it started showing me signs that it was going to pull back. I know that we're looking for either the EMA here or the EMA here as our first area to pull back. So what's happening is this is just getting tighter and tighter and tighter until it pops in one direction or the other. And it's telling you by looking at the MACDs, by looking at what's happening on the smaller tick charts, by looking at what's happening on the bigger tick charts, it's telling you what's going to happen. It's telling you what to look for. So it pulled back into this resistance area. It held so many times. And then all of a sudden, finally, we get that pushback off of there that we've been looking for. So it does take you down to that next area. Even though this area had been holding several times, you can see that wedge just really start to form in there. And then it's going to pop one direction or the other. And there's a lot of signals that it's happening. Does that mean that I might have gotten a little bit enticed by taking longs here? Definitely. I looked at them. They looked like it was ready to set up, but that resistance area was just too potent. And now you can see what happened is it pushed it down a little bit further, and now it's pulling back in to give you an area to possibly take this back up. I'm not looking at any of my other charts. It's right back into that resistance area, but you got a lot more space to try and get up there. We read our indicators, we read the price action, we make our decisions based off what the patterns are telling us is our best option. And if it doesn't work out, then we have our risk set in a certain place so that it will keep us from losing a lot of money on each trade. We just take a little bit of a loss and we learn how to manage that stop as well whenever we are taking trades from the right areas at the right times when the setups are happening. So if you've got any questions over the video, definitely let me know. It's only about a minute long, so this is way longer than my actual trade because I sped it up as fast as I possibly could. So it's about 20 times the normal speed. So it's 30 minutes of trading, but down to a minute of video. So if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Pay attention to what the market's telling you. Listen, it's always talking. So just listen. And when you listen, you know what to look for. You start to understand the market. And when you're paying attention, you are able to make trades that are profitable by just making good decisions and doing the right things at the right time whenever it sets up for a profitable trade. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. Well, I like that. We should keep that around. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and hope to catch you guys on the profitable side.